Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up Interac e-transfer in BMO. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website, then sign in with your card number or username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for quick links at the right side of this page. Under quick links, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Interac e-transfer. Now on this page, you will see a blue button for register. Click on register. To register, just enter your email address. Then just read the information stated below about sending, canceling, receiving Interac e-transfer transactions. After reading, click on agree and register. Then a pop-up message will appear, asking if you would like to sign up for auto deposit. Click set up auto deposit if you would like to continue, or you could just set up later by just clicking maybe later. That's how you set up Interac e-transfer in BMO. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.